हुई है।
मुख्यमंत्री रेखा गुप्ता ने एक पेड़ माँ के नाम अभियान पर कहा, माँ तो सबके लिए माँ होती है, चाहे वो भारत की हो या किसी और देश की। 72 देशों के प्रतिनिधि यहाँ मौजूद थे और पेड़ लगाते हुए मैंने सभी की आंखों में अपनी माँ के लिए प्यार देखा।
माँ हमेशा माँ ही रहेगी। वो धरती पे किसी भी देश के नागरिक के लिए हो। और आज मैंने जितने भी डिप्लोमेट्स यहाँ आए थे उन सबकी आंखों में जो प्यार देखा और कितने गर्व के साथ वो नेम प्लेट दिखा रहे थे कि ये मेरी माँ है जिसके लिए मैंने पेड़ लगाया। मुझे लगता है कि आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का ये मिशन, एक पेड़ माँ के नाम, ये इतना भावुक कर देने वाला है कि लोगों को अपने आप प्रकृति से प्यार हो जाएगा। लोगों को लगेगा कि ये पेड़ लगा करके उन्होंने अपनी माँ को, प्रकृति माँ को और धरती माँ को, सबको अपना एक डेडिकेशन दिया है, एक अपना समर्पण दिया है। और आज सभी डिप्लोमेट्स ने, आज सभी आए हुए एम्बेसडर्स ने बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया कि ये इस तरह का ड्राइव जो है ये अपने आप में यूनिक है। कोई अपनी माँ के साथ आया था तो कोई अपनी फैमिली के साथ आया था और हर व्यक्ति ने इस चीज़ को बहुत सराहा कि ये पेड़ लगना ना केवल नेचर को बचाने वाला है, प्रकृति को बचाने वाला है, बल्कि अपनी माँ को याद करने के लिए एक बहुत ही सुंदर उत्सव है।
देखा कुछ भावुक भी पल देखने को मिले हैं वहाँ पर माँ को याद करते हुए।
मैंने बताया कि माँ हर व्यक्ति के लिए माँ है, वो भारत का हो या अन्य किसी देश का हो। और जितने भी लोगों ने, मतलब यहाँ 72 कंट्रीज के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स थे, हर व्यक्ति ने पेड़ लगाते हुए, उसकी आंखों में आंसू थे, प्यार था अपनी माँ के लिए और उसे पेड़ लगाते हुए इतना अच्छा लग रहा था। ये एक पेड़ माँ के नाम ड्राइव का जो सीजन शुरू हुआ, ये अपने आप में यूनिक है, हर व्यक्ति को जोड़ने वाला है और इसी के माध्यम से हम दिल्ली को हरा भरा करने जा रहे हैं। प्रधानमंत्री जी के जन्म दिवस के अवसर पर मुझे लगता है कि इससे बड़ा तोहफा उन्हें और कुछ नहीं चाहिए।
नमस्कार, रिस्पेक्टेड एम्बेसडर्स, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are not just planting trees, we are planting hopes for the future. Van Mahotsav 2025 is a festival of life. Delhi was once called a gas chamber, but today, with everyone's effort, it is becoming a green capital. In India, we respecting and protecting nature is a part of our culture and a way of life. We call rivers mother and worship tree as a god. As per Forest Service of India, Delhi's green cover has reached 25%, the highest among the all big cities of India. This year, the Delhi government aims to plant 70 lakh trees. The campaign Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam, we are aware of that. One tree in the name of our mother is now, it's a pupil movement. Every tree planted in the name of mother will grow as a symbol of love and care. Just as a mother gives us life, a tree gives us breath of oxygen. Here we have Shri Bhupendra Yadav ji, our Environment Minister, Shri Minjendra Singh Sirsa ji, our Delhi State Environment Minister. In their presence, I really admire you all joining us. Excellencies, the challenges we face, climate change, biodiversity loss and air pollution, and these all have no borders. Pollution does not need a passport. Even global warming doesn't ask for a visa. That is why your presence here today is meaningful. Van Mahotsav become not only Delhi's celebration, but symbol of international partnership for sustainability. We are also reviving the Yamuna floodplains, restoring the Aravalli Hills, and building city forests and biodiversity park. For us, urban greenery is just not a decoration, it is a survival for us. A tree is not just wood and leaf, it is a soldier fighting for pollution, it is a shield protecting our children's lungs. Dear friends, Van Mahotsav is not merely an annual plantation of tree drive. It is a festival of ecological awareness, a celebration of our collective resolve and tribute to nurturing spirit of nature. We can teach our children about green forest in books, but in real forest, we must be planted to our own hands. Together, let us make Delhi a green capital of India, a city where every breath is safe, every shadow is life-giving, and even our children is here of green future. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you so much.
Very good morning. Namaskar. Welcome to this beautiful place, the Honorable Minister for Environment, Shri Bhupendra Yadav ji, the Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi, Srimati Rekha Gupta ji, His Excellencies, High Commissioners, His Excellency Ambassadors. Today is a beautiful day and we are celebrating our Honorable Prime Minister's birthday as the Seva Pakhwara. It means the period for which next 15 days on the auspicious celebration of our Prime Minister's birthday, the entire country is doing this Seva Pakhwara Seva in the honor of our birthday of our Honorable Prime Minister. The Seva Pakhwara is for the next 2 weeks and will be ending on 2nd of October. And in the part of the Seva Pakhwara, it is our honor to invite all of you in honoring the motherhood by planting a tree. Today, tree will be planted, we honoring our motherhood and our mother also. This gracious event has become more beautiful with the presence of the dignitaries here. We together, we as a human being, we as a country, we as a state, is to honor our motherhood, and this is the best practice which we can do for saving the environment by planting a tree. But the most beautiful thing is that our Prime Minister Honorable Narendra Modi ji has given us a slogan, Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam, which means that every human being should plant one tree in the name of her mother. The mother who gave this beautiful child a birth. The mother who teaches us. The mother who gave us such a beautiful journey throughout our life. Honoring our mother, we should plant one tree. That is the mission of our Honorable Prime Minister. And to accomplish this mission, our Union Minister, Bhupendra Yadav ji, you will be really surprised to know that in last year, millions of plants have been planted across the country, millions and millions. And by this, Delhi only has planted 7 million plants. And this year also, we will be planting 7.5 million plants because it's the 75th birthday of our beloved Prime Minister, the Honorable Narendra Modi ji. I welcome you all, and I welcome my Honorable Chief Minister and our Honorable Environment Minister, and I wish that today's journey, which will be beginning with the participation of 72 countries, I must tell you and I must congratulate you and thank you for such a wonderful time. 72 countries across the world, across the globe, joining one hand to save our motherhood, to save the environment, to sustainable energy. Today, the day will be written in the history when so much of countries contributed towards the plantation. I thank once again. I thank my leadership also and His Excellence also, Her Excellence also. And now, after the Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable the Union Minister will address you, we will move to the plantation site. We will plant the plants there We have tried to get every detail of your family. We have tried to get the details of your mother name. We have tried to put there. And if for any reasons, if there is some communication error, I am firmly apologize in advance for that. Thereafter, we'll be having a group photograph. And after having a group photograph, I would again request everybody to come here and join us for tea coffee. Thank you and have a best day ahead. Thank you.
हाय हेलो नमस्कार, मैं हूं पंकज विष्णु और आप देख रहे हैं MNS न्यूज।
देखिए साईं बाबा की आरती लाइव शिरडी से हर रोज सुबह सिर्फ MNS न्यूज पर।
आप देख रहे हैं MNS न्यूज, सच